Listen to that. That is the idling sound of Ford's most powerful light-duty engine. I'm Chris from AutoAcademics, and today we're going to take a look at the totally redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 Lariat 4x4 SuperCrew Hybrid. So, Ford is at it again, reinventing the full-size pickup truck. And this one appears to have everything but the kitchen sink. Although, the plumbing boost option might be ready for the mid-cycle refresh. Impressing yet again is this 2021 Velocity Blue Ford F-150 Lariat 4x4 SuperCrew Hybrid. Standard features include LED daytime running lights, headlamps, fog lamps, and tail lamps, fully boxed steel frame, LED box lighting, box link, heated power folding exterior mirrors, power sliding rear window with defrost and privacy tint, power tailgate lock, LED side mirror spotlights, Class 4 trailer hitch with smart trailer tow connector, wheel well liner, trailer sway control, zone lighting, and remote start. Inside, you'll find a leather-wrapped steering wheel, 10-way power driver and multi-adjustable power front passenger leather trim seats, 12-inch productivity screen with Sync 4, 60/40 fold-up rear bench, AC with dual climate control, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, rear view camera, Sirius XM radio, Ford Pass Connect 4G, adjustable pedals with memory, one-color ambient lighting, auto-dim rear-view mirror, heated and ventilated front seats, and intelligent access with push-button start. Safety features include lane keeping system, post-collision braking, pre-collision assist with auto emergency braking, reverse sensing, reverse brake assist, and Bliss with cross-traffic alert. Now for the options that include the 3.5-liter Power Boost full hybrid electric engine, 18-inch 6-spoke gloss black wheels, and 373 electronic lock rear axle. The tow technology package adds the integrated trailer brake controller, there's a 360-degree camera, 6-inch extended accent running board, Ford Copilot 360 2.0 prep, which includes Active Park Assist 2.0 and gets you ready for active drive assist, twin panel moonroof, tray style floor liners, 7.2 kilowatt Pro Power onboard, interior work surface, B&O sound system, partitioned lockable storage, power tailgate, tailgate step, the Lariat Sport Appearance Package, and Tough Bed bed liner. Total M.S.R.P is $68,090. While the SuperCrew is available with a 6.5-foot bed, our tester has the 5.5-foot version. But we all know it's not the size of the wave that matters. It's the motion of the ocean. So the tailgate can power open and close, and it has the now ubiquitous tailgate step and assist handle. But what you won't find on any other trucks is the Pro Power onboard generator. It's available in 2 kilowatt, 2.4 kilowatt, and this truck's 7.2 kilowatt output. Power is accessible through the in-cabin outlets or the multiple cargo bed outlets that include 12-volt 20 amp and 240-volt 30 amp outlets, so you can power tools, charge your batteries, or heck, make breakfast. A A first for any full-size pickup is the optional 3.5-liter PowerBoost full hybrid V6 engine. It's available on every trim level and mates Ford's twin-turbo and intercooled EcoBoost V6 with a 35-kilowatt electric motor to make a total 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque. A 10-speed modular hybrid transmission handles the gears, enabling it to haul 1,830 pounds with a max tow rating of up to 12,400 pounds. There are various drive modes to choose from depending upon your terrain, plus you can lock the rear diff and choose from 2-wheel drive, auto, 4 high, and 4 low via the press of a button. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 24 miles per gallon city, 24 miles per gallon highway, and 24 miles per gallon combined. AutoAcademics saw an average of 24.5 miles per gallon on regular fuel. Amazingly, after 1 week of testing, we still had 3/4 of a tank of fuel remaining and 445 miles of range left.
As you'd expect, the back seat is terrifically spacious for 3, with AC vents and plenty of power outlets. The outboard seats are heated, and this twin-panel moonroof is absolutely beautiful.
There's storage behind the passenger side seat, and the rear bench can fold up to reveal lockable storage beneath. And with the flat floor, you can even store larger items back there that you want to keep dry and secure. Well, as long as they have wheels smaller than my 29ers.
The cockpit of this F-150 is technology focused, with 2 large 12-inch screens front and center. While Sync 4 works well, there's also wireless Android Auto if you prefer. We can't forget about the physical creature comforts because those are done well too. And if all that weren't enough, you can electrically stow the gear shift to make room for the optional workstation.
As you can see, it's a simple yet very useful feature. Don't judge me.
So, now that we've addressed all of that, it's time to take it out and see how it drives. But first, let me put my workstation away. So, the first takeaway for me as I drive this hybrid F-150 is how quiet it is. Yeah, today's full-size trucks in general are quiet, but when the engine shuts off, this truck is really quiet. Shh, listen. Plus, the hybrid system does its job seamlessly, and the only way you can tell it's working is by looking at the gauges. However, if you ask too much of the electric motor, the gas engine can start abruptly. And while efficiency is decent, this hybrid powertrain isn't all about fuel savings. According to Ford, it tows pretty good, and according to me, when you get on it, it moves pretty good. I can't say much about the 10-speed auto because I hardly notice it, but the brakes have a good pressure feel and aren't grabby, though a little extra stopping power would be nice. I know, I'm never happy. I always forget how relatively comfortable the suspension is on full-size trucks. And while this one can be a little bouncy on uneven pavement, it's very smooth on the highway. It's crazy. Ford brought true hybrid power to the F-150. And as far as I can tell, it works. So there you have it, guys. The totally redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 Lariat 4x4 SuperCrew Hybrid. When comparing EPA averages, Ford took their most fuel-efficient configuration of the F-150 and made it their most powerful. Is this hybrid worth it? Let us know in the comments section below. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss what we have coming up next. I'm Chris from AutoAcademics. Thanks for watching.